Hey, Kyle here at Maple Systems. Today I'm going to be showing you our Fanless industrial panel PC series that has high resolution, capacitive touch, 1000 nit high brightness options, and an Intel 7th Gen dual core i3, i5, and i7 CPU options. It's the PC1300. Let's take a look. Okay, now I'm going to unbox one of the PC1300s, and this is a PC1315 BPH, so it's one of the 15-inch models. And so when you first open the box, this is what you'll see. You'll actually see an accessories box first, and then underneath that is the PC1315 BPH. So first, let's look at the accessories. Open the box. It's a PC1000 series quick start guide, which is also an installation guide. Then there's also a warranty. And underneath that are some accessories in Ziploc bags. So in here you have mounting brackets and screws, and the amount of screws depends on the size of the screen. There's also 4 VESA mounting screws and an input power cable for your 12 to 24 volt DC power supply. Next, I'm going to remove the PC from the foam and remove the PC from the anti-static plastic. Here is the PC1315 BPH. Now you can choose from 15 PC1300s in 8 different sizes, a 27-inch, and here's the 27-inch screen, a 21.5 inch, 19-inch, 17-inch, 15.6 inch, 15-inch, 12-inch, and a 10.4 inch, and they all have multiple memory and storage options available. When purchasing a PC1300, you have the option of getting 1000 nit high brightness, which is also sunlight readable, or standard option. All of the PC1300s have an Intel 7th Gen dual core CPU with options of i3, i5, and i7. Also, there are options for a Wi-Fi upgrade, which is a Wi-Fi card and antenna. All of the PC1300s are panel or VESA mounting, high resolution capacitive touchscreens. They all have a steel chassis and have an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and also are all IP65 rated. Let's take a look at the top of the PC. So right here, this is where the antenna will attach for your optional Wi-Fi. Just remove the rubber piece and you can attach the antenna. It also comes with a Wi-Fi card. Now all of the PC1300s can have optional Wi-Fi. Also at the top here, this is a gasket that wraps around the entire PC. This comes standard with all of our PCs. On the back, there are 4 holes here. These are 4 VESA mounting screw holes. And then right here are the thumb screw mounting knobs. Let's take a look at the bottom I/O starting on the left side. So right here, you have a DC input power connector for your 12 to 24 volt DC power supply. Next to that is an illuminated power button, which is a momentary button. Then there are 2 3.5mm audio ports for mic in and a line out. Next to that are 2 USB 2.0 host ports. Then there's a display port and an HDMI output. Then there are 2 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports. Then there are 4 USB 3.0 host ports. Then there are 4 DE9 serial COM ports. COM1, COM2, and COM3 are RS232. And then this serial port over here is RS232, RS422, and RS485. Here is an example of the back of the unit. It will look like this when you receive it. So on the back, there will be a part number sticker, barcode, and serial number. When you buy your PC, you will have this sticker and the build number. You will need the part number and build number when reordering your panel PC. Also, you will have the option of purchasing an embedded or non-embedded Windows license. So in this image, this unit has an embedded Windows license, meaning the product key is embedded and activated for you at our facility before it leaves Maple Systems. So it is plug and play. And you also can purchase the non-embedded version, meaning the Windows license is not activated. So in this image, you can see where we place the activation sticker or product key on the back of the PC, and you just need to scratch off the code and complete the activation yourself. And I will share a link at the end of this video to another video showing you how to activate a Windows license. You also have the option of getting this panel PC with Linux preloaded instead of Windows. Now I'm going to power on the PC1315 BPH. So I have a power supply going into the PC. So I'm going to turn on my power supply and it's going to boot up the PC. You see the Windows logo, and there's a user welcome screen, and there it is. Now you might be wondering, what are my next steps? Well, that's going to be picking out a SCADA or third-party programming software like Aviva Edge, and you can see more information about this on the Maple Systems website, or others like Factory Talk or Ignition, which our PCs also support. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our industrial panel PC line, you can always visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.